So there are a lot of places where you can use AI in the account. You can use it in the conversation AI, you can use voice AI, you can use it in the workflows, or you can also use it in the creating some content or pages and all that. Enabling voice AI feature is an add-on feature. That's an add-on feature to get to be able to use the voice AI. And then yes, as it's also using the phone number, it's getting calls and all that. It may have some cost as well. How much minutes it handles the call, how many minutes for like it's according to the minutes. You can purchase two phone numbers. You can use one phone number for the other business and second phone number for the other business. And you can create as many voice agents. You can see you can create multiple. You can make one voice AI agent work for one business, second one work for second business, right? You can add multiple domains. You can add as many domains as you like. You can create funnels and forms, and you can divide. You can set up the workflows to work in a way that these workflows work for this business and these work for this business. So you can set that up. But there's one thing. But when you're logged in, your user, like you are a user of the account, right? In my profile, you can turn on two-way sync for one email address. You can turn on calendar sync for one email address because the system thinks that it's only working on one business, right? But if you want to add two-way sync for the other business, then what you can do is you can add yourself as a user with another login email, right? So you can use one user for one business, you can use second user for second business.